Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Cardano price. As you can see, what is the current price of Cardano coin, what is the next move of Cardano, and what is the currently price change goes at this time in Cardano coin. So keep watching this video till the end. In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, and stay connected with us friends. And if you have any type of questions about Cardano, so please comment me. I will try to answer your question friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Cardano coins for the last the current price of the Cardano is about 1.3 USD dollar is the current price of Cardano coin. And if we talk about the price change goes at this time in Cardano coin, so as you can see, the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, only in the last 1 week change as positive. That's mean that the previous last 1 week positive change occurred, but unfortunately from the yesterday, from the last 1 day, the funny period of the Cardano coin starts now friends again. Now if we talk about the last 1 day price prediction chart, so as you can see, the change occur and the last 1 day is about negative 0.49%. The highest price of the Cardano is about 1.35 per USD dollar. And as you can see the price prediction chart of the Cardano coin, so as I told you that the previous week they take a high jump, but unfortunately in the last 1 day the funny period of the Cardano coin starts now friends. So what's the next move of Cardano coin? Let's try to detect, let's do a technical analysis that what's the next move occur in this time friends. Let's suppose that is a resistance line and that is a support line friends. So as you can see, no sorry, that is not a resistance support line friends. Let's suppose that is a resistance line and that is a support line. Sorry, that is the support line. That is as you can see friends, they continue as travel between these two lines. As you can see, take a jump again fast down, gradually take a jump for gradually fast down, same like that change occur. And as you can see at this point they breaken the support line friends. So when the support breaken, that's mean that's the big dump coming soon and this coin friends. When the support become resistance, so you know about this change that a very big dump coming soon in this time friends, when the resistance become, when the support become resistance friend. So a lot of chances to fast down in the future of Cardano coin. So what's your opinion about Cardano coin? Please share in the comment box. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, and maybe they goes upward in the future, but on the basis of technical analysis that my suggestion that in the future Cardano coin falls down friends for a later time. That's a temporary fast. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for a temporary, so that's not mean that the future falling period of the Cardano coin starts now. That's not mean that you said it. You have to hold it if you want to make a good amount of profit, so you have to hold coin for long term friends. Hope you like this video. If you like, so please kindly subscribe now and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.